Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munnaik. Today I need to discuss about minor. What is minor you see? In my last video I have already discussed about determinant. What is determinant and how it comes. You see, if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Let us discuss about minor. What is minor? The determinant, the definition of minor, you see, the determinant obtained means what? To get, obtained to suppressing SUPPRESSING, to suppressing the rows and columns, suppressing the rows and columns in which suppressing the row and column in which a particular element occurs is called the minor of the element. Okay, the determinant obtains means what? To get, pana. Okay, to suppressing means something is given to suppress. Okay, 2 is given, I have suppressed 2. Understood what is the meaning of suppress? Okay, 5 6 3 given, I have suppressed 6. Okay, suppress. Okay, to cover. Okay, suppress means to cover. The determinant obtained to suppressing the rows and column in which a particular element occur is called the minor of the element. Suppose you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I given. Suppose this is a determinant. How many entries are there? You see, how many entries are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Entries means the element present in the determinant. These are the we say entries or elements. How many elements are there? 9 elements are there. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 entries are there. We can say 9 entries are there, or 9 elements are there. There are 9 elements. So you see, this is A. Okay, this is A. So minor of A is equal to what? Okay, suppose you see, for each element there is a minor. Okay, minor of element A, minor of this determinant. Okay, minor can be denoted by Mij. Okay, a minor of A is how much? You see, this is the element, I can suppress this and this. Understood? The element which links the rows and columns, we will suppress the row and column. Okay, ये जो एलिमेंट है, ये एलिमेंट जिस रो पे और जिस कलम पे लिंक है, ये दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे? सप्रेस करेंगे, यानी बंद कर देंगे इसे. Okay, so the rest element, how much you get? You see, if you suppress this and this, the rest element you can get E, F, H, I. So minor of A is determinant of E, F, H, I. Understood my point? Okay, suppose minor of B is how much? You see, this is the element. Okay, we have to find the minor of B. This is the element, that means the element which links the rows and the columns. We have suppressed these two, the rows and columns you can suppress. That means you see ये जो B एलिमेंट है, ये जो B एलिमेंट जिस रो पे और जिस कलम पे है, ये दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, इसे सप्रेस कर देंगे, ए से और ए से सप्रेस कर देंगे. अभी क्या बाकी है, DFGI. सो माइनर ऑफ B that is DFGI. Okay, try to know it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I given. We have need to know the minor of B. That means this is the row and this is the column we will suppress. The rest element is what? DF. और क्या बाकी है, DFGI. This is the minor of B. Similarly, minor of C, if you calculate, what is the minor of C? Minor of C is, okay, minor of C is the determinant. Okay, is the determinant of what? You see, this is the element C. We can suppress this row and this column. Understood? That means the element which link with the rows and the columns, we can suppress these two. The rest one, if you suppress this and this, you can get DE, GH. Similarly, for D, okay, minor of D is how much? Who can say? Minor of D is, you see, this is the element D. Okay, this is the element D. The D element is linked with this column and this row. That means we can suppress this row, this column and this row. That means the rest element is BCHI. Okay, similarly other elements, suppose you consider minor of E is linked with this column and this row. Okay, that is ACGI. Okay, that is ACGI. Similarly, there are 9 elements, we can get 9 minors. Okay, you see other minors, you see minor of F. F is how much? This F, that is ABGH. Okay, minor of G. You see, this is the element G. This and this we can suppress. BCEF. BC is determinant of BCEF. Okay, minor of H. H is equal to this and this, we will suppress this. Okay, then this ACDF. Okay, in the last, minor of I is how much? You see, this and this we will suppress. ABDE. Okay, there are 9 elements, that means 9 entries. 9 elements means 9 entries. These are the minor. This is the determinant obtained by EFHI. This is the determinant obtained by DFGI. Similarly, we can get the minor. Okay, minor can be denoted by MIJ. Okay, that means you see, minor can be denoted by okay, denote, that means to detect, okay, to point out, denoted by MIJ. What is IJ? I is equal to row, J is equal to column. Understood my point? Always the row will come, then the column will come. MIJ. This element, this position is equal to what? This is the element which is first row, which lies in first row and first column. You see, okay. this is the element which lies in first row, first column. Okay, suppose I can also write A11, okay, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, 1 means what? The first one is row, the second one is column. That means the first one रिप्रेजेंट रो. फर्स्ट वन क्या कहते हैं कि ये पहला रो पे है. सेकेंड वन क्या कहते हैं, ये पहला कॉलम पर है. यू सी दिस इज योर फर्स्ट रो, रो वन. दिस इज योर कॉलम वन. दिस एलिमेंट here 1, here 1. That means this element is belongs in first row and first column. Okay, you see A12 given, that means this is column 2, 1 2. ओके, वी कैन राइट रो फर्स्ट. हम क्या करना है, पहले हमको रो लिखना है, इसके बाद हमको कॉलम लिखना है, यानी 1 2 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम. यू सी 1 3 रो 1, दिस इज कॉलम 3. 1 3 फर्स्ट रो लिखना है, इसके बाद हम कॉलम लिखना है. दैट मीन्स 1 3. ओके, similarly this is second row. You see this is R2, that means this element lies in second row first column. You see R2, that means second row. We have to write row first. हमको क्या करना है, रो को पहले लिखना है और कॉलम को बाद में लिखना है, यानी MIJ, that means row then column. You see 2 1, this lies in second row and first column. This is first row, this is second row first column. This is 2 2, that means second row and second column. The position, okay, this is 2 second row third column, 2 3. You see 2 3. This is row 3. Row 3 means you see 3 1 first row, 3 third row first column, third row second column, 3 2 third row third column, 3 3. That means this 3 represent row, this 3 represent column, this 3 represent, this is row and this represent column. Okay, the first 3 is represent row, the second 3 is represent column. Similarly in all the cases, the first one represent row and the second one represent column. Okay, then you see suppose 2 cross 2 determinant is given. 2 cross 2 determinant is given. अगर तुमको 2 cross 2 का डिटर्मिनेंट दिया हुआ है, सपोज 3 5 और A11 A12 A21 A22 ऐसे एक डिटर्मिनेंट दिया हुआ है. हमको क्या करना है, माइनर निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द माइनर. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द माइनर? यू सी दिस इज द एलिमेंट. हाउ मेनी एंट्रीज आर देयर? देयर आर 4 एंट्रीज आर देयर. Okay, how can you find the minor? You see A11 we can suppress this and this. Just this is the minor. This is minor of A11 is A22 only. That means we have to suppress this and this. Okay, only one element is there, that is A22. Understood? Similarly, minor of A12 first row first second column is, you see, you suppress this and this because of 1 2 A12 linked with this row and this column. ये किस रो के किस कलम पे है? पहला रो पे दूसरा कलम पे है. ये पहला रो, ये दूसरा कलम. तो ये दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, सप्रेस कर देंगे, इसे बंद कर देंगे. तो क्या बाकी का एलिमेंट है? A21 है. सो A12 माइनर ऑफ, ओके, माइनर ऑफ A12 is A21. Similarly, minor of A21 दिस इज, ये A21 है, इसको हम सप्रेस करेंगे, इसको भी हम सप्रेस करेंगे. हमको माइनर ऑफ A21 क्या है? A12 है. इज A12 माइनर ऑफ A22, ये है माइनर ऑफ A22. इसको सप्रेस करेंगे, इसको सप्रेस करेंगे, ये एक ही एलिमेंट है, इज A11. Okay, for 2 cross 2 determinant you have to find the minor like this, and for 3 cross 3 determinant you have to find the determinants what I have told previously. Okay, minor can be denoted, denote यानी detect करना. Okay, to point out, denoted by mij, where m is the row, j is the column. Okay, this is your minor. Suppose you find the minor of 1 3 4 5. Suppose this is the 1 3 4 5 given. Okay, minor of 1 is equal to how much? 5. Okay, suppose this is the determinant a. Okay, minor of a, that is this element how much? 5. Minor of this is equal to 4. Minor of this is equal to 3. Minor of this is equal to 1. This is the minor of a. Minor of a. Suppose this is the determinant of a, then minor of a is equal to this much. Let us discuss about cofactor of a. Let us say cofactor. The cofactor of any element in a determinant is its coefficient in the expansion of the determinant. Okay, the cofactor of any element. The cofactor of any element in a determinant is its coefficient in the expansion of the determinant. The cofactor is the minor with proper sign. You see, cofactor can be denoted by Cij. Okay, Cij, where I is row and j is column. Cij is equal to -1 to the power I plus j mij. You see, the minor with the proper sign. The cofactor is the minor with the proper sign. Mij is the minor, where I is row, I is equal to row, j is equal to column. Okay, j is equal to column. This is the minor, okay, with the proper sign. Okay, that means the cofactor of any element. Suppose we will say a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Suppose this is the determinant. So cofactor of a11, that is I in the place of I1, in the place of J1. Understood my point? In the 1 1, that means I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. That is C11. Okay, cofactor can be denoted by Cij. That means you see, I means 1, J means 1. That means C11 is equal to cofactor of A11, element A11. That is C11 is equal to, you see, cofactor of element A11 is, okay, C11 is equal to -1 I plus j, that is 1 plus 1 mij, that is m11. Okay, similarly A12, that is C12 is equal to -1 1 plus 2 m12. Okay, similarly 1 3, for this element -1 1 plus 3 m13. Similarly we can get how many entries? 9 entries we can get. C21, you see, for this element C21 is equal to cofactor of A1 is this. Okay, similarly A12, A13, A14. Okay, for this this is the for element A12, for A13, A21. Okay, -1 2 plus 1 m21. M21. Okay, similarly we can get other elements cofactors. Suppose the determinant, this is a, we can write cofactor of a. Okay, cofactor of a, cofactor of a. Similarly C11, C12, C13. For the element A11 we can get this. For the element A12 we can get this. Similarly we can get cofactor of a. Okay, cofactor of a for the element A11. Okay, for the element A12, like that. Cofactor of a, okay, for the element for A11, for the element. Okay, for the element you write, for the element a11 is equal to for this, okay, a12. Similarly we can continue it, okay, that means c21, c22, c2 is equal to -1, 2 plus 2, m22, okay, c33, c23 -1, 2 plus 3, m23, c31 is equal to -1, 3 plus 1, m31, c32 is equal to -1, 3 plus 2, m32, okay, c33 is equal to -1, 3 plus 3, -1, 3 plus 3, m33, okay. That means finally we can write cofactor of a cofactor of a is equal to, continue, we can write c11, c12, c13, c21, c22, c23, c31, c32, c33, okay. This is the cofactor and this formula is used for cofactor, okay. In some books it is given cofactor can be denoted by aij. In some books it is given cofactor can be denoted by aij, but in your book it is given that cofactor is denoted by cij, okay. This is the minor and cofactor of the determinant.